80. Discussing career aspirations. Our careers play a significant role in our lives.
They do. Choosing a fulfilling career is important for our overall happiness.
What career aspirations do you have for the future?
I hope to become a professional graphic designer and work with creative teams.
Graphic design is a dynamic field that allows for artistic expression. I'm considering entrepreneurship.
Starting your own business requires determination and innovation.
It's about pursuing our passions and making a positive impact. 81. Discussing outdoor activities.
Spending time outdoors can be so refreshing, don't you think?
Absolutely, nature has a way of rejuvenation our spirits.
What outdoors activities do you enjoy?
I love hiking and camping in the mountains.
Hiking allows you to connect with nature and get some exercise.
And you, any favorite outdoor activities?
I enjoy picnics in the park and going for leisurely bike rides.
Picnics are a delightful way to relax and enjoy good food.
82. Talking about life lessons.
Life teaches us valuable lessons along the way.
Indeed, every experience contributes to our personal growth.
What's a significant life lesson you've learned?
I've learned the importance of embracing change and adapting.
Adapting to new circumstances is a valuable skill. I've learned the power of resilience.
Resilience allows us to bounce back from challenges. It's a crucial trait.
Reflecting on life lessons helps us navigate future situations.
83. Discussing dream destination.
If you could travel to any dream destination, where would it be?
I've always dreamed of exploring the historic cities of Europe.
Europe has rich history and stunning architecture. I'd love to visit Australia's Great Barrier Reef.
The Great Barrier Reef is a natural wonder known for its vibrant marine life.
Exploring diverse ecosystems would be a once-in-a-lifetime experience. I've always wanted to see the Northern Light in person.
Witnessing the Northern Lights is on many people's bucket lists. It must be magical.
Dream destinations inspire us to venture beyond our comfort zones.
84. Talking about social media usage.
Social media has become a significant part of our lives.
It has transformed the way we connect and share experiences.
How do you manage your social media usage?
I set time limits and prioritize face-to-face interactions.
Setting boundaries is important. I sometimes find self-scrolling mindlessly.
It's easy to get up in the virtual world. I've been using social media for networking.
Social media offers great networking opportunities, especially professional.
Balancing online interactions with real-life connections is key. 85. Discussing personal values. Our values guide us in making important decisions.
Absolutely. They serve as our moral compass.
What's a value that you hold dear?
Empathy. I believe in treating others with kindness and understanding.
Empathy is a powerful value. I value integrity and honesty.
Upholding integrity builds trust and fosters strong relationships.
Our values shape the kind of people we strive to be. 86. Discussing favorite travel memories.
Traveling allows us to create unforgettable memories, doesn't it?
Absolutely. Each trip brings new experience and stories.
Do you have a favorite travel memory that stands out?
I'll never forget the time I explored ancient ruins in Machu Picchu.
Machu Picchu, a marvel of history and architecture. I once had an amazing wildlife encounter in Africa.
Wildlife encounters can be truly remarkable. What did you see?
I was on a safari and got to see elephants and lions up close in their natural habitat.
That must have been an incredible adventure. Travel memories stay with us forever.
87. Talking about personal challenges.
Overcoming challenges is an integral part of personal growth.
It's through challenges that we discover our strengths.
What's a challenge you faced recently?
I had to learn a new software program at work, which was quite daunting.
Learning new skills can be challenging, but it's rewarding in the end. I've been working on time management.
Effective time management is crucial for productivity. How's it going?
I've been using techniques like the Pomodoro method to stay focused.
Finding strategies that work for you is key to overcoming challenges.
88. Discussing favourite cuisine.
Exploring different cuisines is like a culinary adventure.
Absolutely, food is a wonderful way to experience diverse cultures.
Do you have a favorite type of cuisine?
I'm a fan of Italian cuisine, pasta, and pizzas are my weaknesses.
Italian food is known for its delicious flavors. I love typing Thai cuisine.
Thai cuisine offers a perfect blend of sweet, sour, and spicy flavors.
Sharing meals with loved ones enhances the dining experience.
That's true. Food brings people together and creates lasting memories.
89. Talking about dream achievements.
Dream achievements give us something to strive for.
They motivate us to work hard and pursue our passions.
What's a dream achievement you have in mind?
I've always dreamed of writing a book and getting it published.
Writing a book is a significant accomplishment. I've dreamt of starting a non-profit organization.
Creating positive change through a non-profit is an admirable goal, dream. Achievements push us to reach higher. 90. Discussing leisure activities. Finding time for leisure activities is essential for relaxation.
It's a way to recharge and enjoy the present moment.
What leisure activities do you enjoy in your free time?
I love practicing yoga and meditating to unwind.
Yoga and meditation promote inner peace. I find solace in reading.
Reading is a wonderful escape into different worlds and perspectives.
Engaging in leisure activities nurtures our well-being. 91. Discussing cultural diversity.
The world is so diverse with rich cultures and traditions.
It's fascinating how different societies have unique ways of life.
Have you had the chance to experience cultural diversity firsthand?
Yes, I traveled to India and was captivated by its vibrant culture.
India is known for its diversity and traditions. I once attended a multicultural festival.
Multicultural festivals showcase the beauty of various cultures coming together.
Embracing cultural diversity promotes understanding and unity.
92. Talking about relaxation techniques.
Relaxation techniques are essential for managing stress.
They help us find moments of calm in our busy lives.
What relaxation techniques do you practice?
I enjoy deep breathing exercises and guided meditation.
Deep breathing can have an instant calming effect. I've been practicing mindfulness.
Mindfulness keeps us grounded in the present. I find solace in nature walks.
Connecting with nature is a wonderful way to find tranquility.
93. Discussing career advancements.
Career advancements often come from hard work and dedication.
Absolutely. It's rewarding to see our efforts pay off.
Have you experienced any significant career advancements?
I recently got promoted to a managerial role at my company.
Congratulations! Climbing the corporate ladder takes determination. I'm working on expanding my skill at.
Continuously learning and growing opens doors for career opportunities.
True, embracing challenges and seeking growth leads to success.
94. Talking about memories concepts.
Attending live concerts can be an exhilarating experience.
Music has a way of uniting people and creating unforgettable memories.
Do you have a favorite concert you've been to?
I'll never forget seeing my favorite band perform live on their world tour.
Live performances add an extra layer of connecting with the artists. I once attended a music festival.
Music festivals being together diverse artists and fans for a vibrant celebration.
The energy of a live performance is unmatched.
95. Discussing sustainable living. Sustainable living is important for the well-being of our planet.
It's crucial to adopt eco-friendly practice in our daily lives.
What sustainable habits have you incorporated?
I've been reducing single-use plastics and opting for reusable alternatives.
Small changes like that can make a big difference. I've been supporting local farmers markets.
Buying locally supports the community and reduces our carbon footprint.
Embracing sustainable living is a collective effort. 96. Talking about personal achievements.
Reflecting on our achievements can boost our self-confidence.
Embracing sustainable living is a collective effort.
What's a personal achievement you're proud of?
I successfully ran a marathon after months of training.
Running a marathon is a remarkable feat of endurance. I recently learned a new language.
Learning a new language opens doors to new cultures and connections.
Celebrating our achievements, big or small, is important for self-appreciation.
97. Discussing weekend plans.
Weekends are a great opportunity to unwind and recharge.
Indeed, it's a time to do things we enjoy.
What are your plans for the upcoming weekend?
I'm planning to go hiking and have a picnic in the mountains.
Hiking sounds like a refreshing way to spend your weekend. I'm going to a live theater performance.
Enjoying live performances is a cultural and artistic experience.
Weekends offer a chance to engage in activities that bring us joy.
98. Talking about environmental awareness.
Raising awareness about environmental issues is crucial.
It's important to educate others and take collective action.
How do you contribute to environmental awareness?
I participate in local cleanup initiative and promote sustainable practices.
Taking action at the community level has a ripple effect. I've been reducing my energy consumption.
Conserving energy helps reduce our carbon footprint. We all play a part in protecting the planet. 99. Discussing childhood dreams.
Childhood dreams often shape our aspirations as adults.
They ignite our imagination and set the course for our future.
What was a childhood dream you had?
I dreamt of becoming an astronaut and exploring space.
Space exploration is an exciting aspiration. I dreamt of becoming a wildlife biologist.
Studying and preserving wildlife is a noble pursuit. Childhood dreams reflect our passions.
100. Talking about favorite seasons. Each season has its own charm and beauty, don't you think?
Absolutely. They bring distinct changes to the environment.
What's your favorite season?
I love the vibrant colors of autumn and the cooler weather.
Autumn's foliage is indeed picturesque. I'm a fan of spring.
Spring signifies renewal and growth, which is uplifting. Every season has its unique appeal.
Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos and also comment.